Daily use of walnut protects men from bladder cancer. And new research has revealed that men can protect themselves from bladder cancer if they simply make walnut a compulsory part of their diet. The research was conducted in the state of California in America. The research has been able to bring it to attention that walnut as a part of the routine daily diet can help men secure themselves against glandular cancer. Walnuts are laden with many benefits and healthy components. Such beneficial components and elements are really healthy for human health. Breast cancer and other cardiac disorders can also be prevented from its use. University scientists believe that walnuts can prove to be extremely significant in preventing various glands from chronic diseases like cancer. The fats present in walnuts are instrumental in stagnation of the growth of cancerous cells. In Europe and America, after skin cancer, prostate cancer is the second most prevalent disease in men. Prostate cancer is treatable to a great extent. About 2 million people in America have been successfully treated for prostate cancer. In Britain, every year 35,000 men are diagnosed with prostate cancer. 10,000 of these men end up losing their lives.